Foldable phones are here to stay, however. The futuristic design carries a slightly higher level of risk. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a marvel, but let's be honest. With a single incorrect delivery, the game is over. Therefore, it is imperative to safeguard your investment in Google's most recent product. Today we will explore the 7 most effective cases for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Regardless of whether you are seeking rugged protection or a sleek and fashionable design, there is a case that is suitable for everyone. We should investigate them. When it comes to finding that perfect balance between affordability and durability, the Caseology Parallax case is a top contender for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The first thing you'll notice is its distinctive 3D hexacube design, which not only looks cool but adds some serious grip. Those textured TPU sides ensure your phone stays in your hand, even in those close call moments. Plus, with military-grade protection, you're covered against drops and bumps. And let's not forget the raised bezels around the screen and camera, giving you that extra layer of peace of mind. It's also wireless charging compatible, so you don't have to sacrifice convenience for protection. Caseology designed and tested this case to work seamlessly with Google Pixel devices, making it a solid, budget-friendly choice for anyone looking to protect their foldable investment without breaking the bank. If you're after a case that screams premium while offering serious functionality, the Torro phone case is a standout. Crafted from top-grain premium leather, this case isn't just about looking good, it's about serious utility. With 3 card slots and a larger compartment for cash, it's like having a wallet and a phone case in one. The inside is lined with soft microfiber, protecting your device from scratches, while the magnetic side clasp ensures everything stays secure. But what really stands out is the built-in stand function, perfect for hands-free viewing whether your phone is folded or unfolded. The precision fit gives you full access to all the ports and buttons, making it a seamless companion for your Pixel 9 Pro Fold. For those who want style and substance, Torro delivers. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case is perfect for showcasing the sleek design of your Pixel 9 Pro Fold while offering top-tier protection. This case is all about transparency. Literally, it's infused with blue resin to keep that crystal clear look without yellowing over time. So, your Pixel's natural color shines through, but it's not just about looks. Spigen packs in serious protection with air cushion technology to guard against drops. The raised edges around the screen and camera add an extra layer of defense, keeping those crucial parts safe. And yes, it's wireless charging compatible, so no need to fumble around with removing the case. Quality craftsmanship meets durability here, making it a solid choice if you want to keep your Pixel safe and stylish. Google's Pixel 9 Pro Fold case is like a tailor-made suit designed by the very people who know the device best, Google. This case not only looks sleek with its slim profile and color options like obsidian and porcelain, but also offers serious protection where it matters most. The hinge and camera bar drop tested for hundreds of hours. This case ensures your foldable stays safe in real-world conditions. Inside, a soft microfiber lining adds an extra layer of care, and the design is tailored to enhance audio clarity. Plus, it's wireless charging compatible, so you can keep your phone juiced up without removing the case. For those who value form function and that perfect Google touch, this case is a no-brainer, especially if you're looking to complement your new Pixel 9 Pro Fold with something premium. When you think of rugged protection, Otterbox is probably the first name that comes to mind. But what if you could get all that durability in an ultra-slim package? That's where the Otterbox Thin Flex series comes in. This case is still tough as nails, passing military-grade drop tests, so your Pixel 9 Pro Fold is in safe hands. The soft grip edges make it easy to hold, and the raised edges give your screen that extra protection. Plus, it's precision engineered for a perfect fit, meaning you get maximum protection without compromising the sleek design of your foldable. It's also fully compatible with 5G and wireless charging, so you won't miss a beat, and if you're eco-conscious, you'll appreciate that it's made with more than 50% recycled plastic. It's the best of both worlds, protection without the bulk. The Poetic Spartan case isn't just armor for your Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it's a fortress with built-in versatility. This case isn't just tough, it's military-grade tough. Drop tested up to 20 feet. With its dual-layer construction of synthetic rubber and polycarbonate, it offers shock-proof, impact-resistant, and scratch-proof protection, making sure your Pixel 9 Pro Fold stays in pristine condition. But it's not all about ruggedness. The Spartan comes with a built-in kickstand, perfect for hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes. Plus, the integrated screen protector adds another layer of defense without compromising touch sensitivity or responsiveness. With precise cutouts for all ports, sensors, and cameras, you won't miss a bit. If you want a case that brings both first-rate protection and practical features, the Poetic Spartan is a solid choice. Imagine a case so thin, you might forget it's even on your phone. Enter the Mous Super Thin Case. Designed in collaboration with Google's own design team, this case is all about seamless integration. It's made from durable polycarbonate and lined with soft microfiber, giving you that minimal everyday protection against bumps and scratches while maintaining the Pixel Fold's sleek aesthetic. But here's what makes it stand out. This case is Google certified, meaning it meets all the standards for compatibility, quality, and performance. The two-part design allows your foldable to open and close without any interference, staying completely flat. Plus, it's got an oil and scratch-resistant coating, so it looks as good as it feels, and with Peyruis gel strips on the inside, it grips your device securely without adding bulk. If you're looking for ultra-thin, ultra-light protection that doesn't compromise on style, the Mous Super Thin Case is your go-to. And there you have it, our top picks for the best cases for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Which one will you choose to protect your device? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.